everybody, and
Hi.
welcome back to another Jane's Daughters tutorial. I'm Lindsay.
Hi, I'm Kim.
And we are so excited to bring you this really great, quick tutorial, easy thing that you can do if you're somebody who likes to go on to yard sales or antiquing, or you just have kind of some pieces that you want to repurpose around your home. We're going to show you how to do that with this really cool find.
Yes, this is our Choose to Reuse segment. I picked this mirror up at a sale. Actually, it still has the price on it. It was $2, and it's tin. And I just loved it, and I thought, but it's a little plain. So I added this Grosgrain ribbon at the top. And what we're going to do today is I made this. Now you could do this one by one, but I strung these beads together. They're more of an antique white. And what we're going to do is we're just going to glue them to the inside of the mirror. And I was a little short, so I have to add a few. Now there's a couple different glues you can use. You can use a quick dry tacky glue, which we're going to use a combination of both. And of course the E6000, which I love, which is so good for a project like this. The downfall to the E6000 is it takes a long time to dry. Once it's dry, it's there. It's not going anywhere, but it does take a minute, to dry. So let's start off with the tacky glue. Okay. And I think we just need to do like every maybe
five.
Like every 4 or 5.
Every 4 or 5. Kind of need someone to help with this, to hold it in place. Give it like a bead of glue. Get it in place. So originally we were going every 4 or 5 beads and just trying to do a dab of glue, but now we're actually circling the mirror and putting on more glue. What's great about this tacky glue is if you get any on the mirror, it comes right off.
It comes right off, and it will dry clear.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Just going to put in visually.
This looks so cool already.
How cool is that?
How cool is that? Just a simple way to just repurpose a mirror and make it unique in your home. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Have a good one.